Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about innovative ways to enhance our personal and professional growth. Particularly, we're going to talk about how innovation plays a very important role to the workplace wellness. Are you ready? So let's buckle up and get into the journey. Many people are bogged down by manual tasks. The issue is, are you aware of it? When I talk to some of my friends who are administrative executive, I will ask questions like, do you have to do data? The answer is no. My next question is, do you have many of the administrative or coordination tasks that might require a automation tool like UiPath or RPA to automate? The answer is most of my tasks still require human beings to actually work on it. Now, if we have this mindset, it could actually take away some of our precious time, which might be critical for communication or people relationship. The constant quest to look for opportunities to automate is very critical. This is beneficial not only from the company perspective, whereby in future they could also save on resources, it is also beneficial for you so that you can look for opportunities to add value. The key is really to provide ample support and training to help the employees. Show your team in a mini demonstration or getting colleagues from other departments who has done it to show them how automation can improve their work life. I recall one of my ex-colleagues, he would use RPA to automate simple tasks like downloading photos and place it into the system. He said, I will usually drink my coffee and sit in front of the laptop and let the robots do it for me. This is so cool, right? By organizing a mini demonstration for him to share with other colleagues, it increases interest and others see him as a role model that they can actually learn from. Let me share a personal story with you. During my stay in the learning and development unit, I came across my executive having to spend a lot of hours combining data, cleaning it up, putting it into reports for various ministry and organization. At times, when the manager actually requests for charts, they will have to spend their whole weekend just doing the cleaning and visualization data. That was the time where I began to Google and found out that, hey, in the market, there's this tool called Power BI that has a inbuilt Power Query to help them clean data, automate it, and even been able to do the visualization in a few minutes. Power BI is just one example. Are you excited about the possibilities? Great news! We are launching a introduction to Power BI capabilities in July. Join the waitlist that is actually found in the link below to discover more about how Power BI can actually help you in automation and producing quick visualization in minutes. Yes, Power BI is really a game changer. No more spending hours during weekends to do data cleaning and visualizations. If you have actually preset it using the Power Query, you can actually automate the task with a press of the button, do a drag and drop, and the visualization will be right in front of you. Of course, to foster a culture of automation and wellness, it's not just about training and providing support. You could actually put in targets like having a certain percentage to be devoted to automation or finding processes that people can actually improve on. If I were to do it, I could also organize hackathon both within my department as well as with other department, particularly to create that level of engagement excitement. Most importantly, by having another department to be involved, we keep each other accountable and learn together in the journey. Imagine the possibilities where minds from different departments come together to actually streamline and find ways to improve their work life as well as their wellness. Isn't that meaningful? In conclusion, embracing automation is like enhancing wellness. By identifying areas where we can automate, we free up our employees' time to do things that is of meaningful. We create a workplace that is not just efficient, but happy and engaged together. I hope you like the topic of discussion being shared today. See you.